Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Alexis Zarafa. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. You'll find some pretty eclectic effects on this page, layering visual components with both 2D and 3D elements to create a multifaceted and quite unique timeline. Particle effects are out in full force, with filters that display hearts flying around the screen and bubbles pouring from the mouth and nose. Face tracking is utilized to great effect, with user interactions like smiling or opening the mouth that add a new dimension to otherwise fairly simple patch setups. And there are effects which place elements on the eyes and face like glasses or animated butterflies. If you've seen previous installments of this series, you'll know that I'm a sucker for the surreal, and there's plenty here that showcases just how trippy you can make your filters if you really want to push the limits of what's possible in Spark AR. Alexis is out here making awesome content, so be sure to follow her on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is Maria Nova Online. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. I really like this page because in some of the earlier filters, it definitely feels more playful and as if she's just getting to grips with and learning how the software works. But as you move towards some of the more recent filters, you can definitely see the technical skill that goes into creating them. You have your basic eyeball tracking and text filters, which I'm obviously a fan of. I've made quite a few videos about those in the past. But then there are effects which take advantage of external modeling software and even use things like reactive audio, with elements using world space. My favourite though is this retro arcade game filter, which is designed and put together so well and gives off a very 80s vibe. Maria is a very talented creator who puts out a lot of cool content, so I highly recommend following her on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Triutra. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. You may already be familiar with some of the effects released by this creator and not even realize it. They have over 120,000 followers, and their filters have been used by some of the biggest names in the world, including Kylie Jenner, Justin Bieber, and Lil Nas X, just to name a few, which is actually insane. But I just wanted to highlight some of the other filters that maybe don't get as much attention and just generally showcase someone who is clearly at the top of their game. They're probably most recognizable for two filters in particular, which are the Grinch filter, released last year in December and made incredibly popular by Kylie Jenner, as well as the cartoonish Disney eyes aesthetic, which became a global phenomenon last year. I even saw David Dobrik using it on TikTok at one point. Triutra is a very talented creator whose consistent output has helped propel her to the top of the filter making industry. Follow her on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is RBVSSH. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. So there are only 4 filters live on this account right now, but they're all so good I just wanted to show them off. As you can see here, the first one is actually a 3D model of the guy who made it, wrapped around you like he's giving you a hug. Then there's this hair one, which seems kind of simple at first, but it has tap to change features, there are filters for the eyes, and it's just generally a good vibe. Plus, I like how animated he is at the start. Number 3 also uses models of the creator, but this time incorporates mirrors which attract onto the face to create a very interesting effect, and for some reason the glasses also remind me of the Matrix. Not sure why, but yeah. And finally, number 4, Rubik's Cube TV head. This is where the technical skills and creativity are on full display, so if you want to check this out, I recommend going over to his profile and giving him a follow. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favorite filters. Today's featured creator is SPDPLF. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favorites. Now, I was actually pretty surprised when I first stumbled across this account because you don't see many people creating filters who are so directly inspired by nature. Incorporating face tracking with organic material textures and modeling elements that exist in world space, there's an earthly charm here that you won't really find anywhere else. Rock formations that can be scaled up to appreciate the detail in each piece, and meshes that have been manipulated to include jutting crystals with natural reflective properties, highlight the creator's personal interests and provide an opportunity to experience the world through their lens. There are even some effects with an otherworldly atmosphere that remain consistent with the overall theme of the profile. I'm pretty mesmerized by quite a few of these filters, so I highly recommend checking them out for yourself. Go follow SPDPLF on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Video Orbit. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This is a really cool profile, playing with a variety of visual styles and aesthetics that, while seemingly disparate and unconnected, actually mesh together really well and lend themselves to the overall thematic narrative of the profile. There are some 2D filters which stand out because of how well they've been designed, but the majority of effects utilise complex 3D animations, mostly involving objects growing from the face or head. This includes plants, flowers, and even dandelions, but also money and sea creatures. There's a Madonna voguing with mannequin hand style filter that I really like, and a Pan's Labyrinth eye monster effect that captures the design of the original so well. This is someone who clearly has incredible talent when it comes to 3D design and animation, so I highly recommend checking out Video Orbit and following her on Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Posit Labs. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. I have no doubt that most of you will already know Josh Beckwith. He's one of the most prolific filter creators in this community and has been making Spark AR related content since at least 2018. His YouTube channel was one of the first that I came across when I was trying to figure all this out, and his videos were super helpful to me early on, even though there aren't that many because presumably he's working on much bigger projects right now. He's actually the guy who created the original Color LUT patch you've probably seen floating all over the internet, which is now directly integrated into the Spark AR software. And his YouTube videos have evolved into an official educational series available on the Spark AR website. If you make filters, you should already be following Josh. He's a literal OG in this space. Check out Posit Labs on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is FFFaceMe. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This page has a very futuristic, robo-cyberpunk feel that's very modern and sleek. There are on-screen HUDs displaying mobile app icons and social media notifications, interesting colour effects with a kind of liquid metal aesthetic, and fractured glass animations that are pretty mind-blowing, as well as more subtle LUTs and lighting filters. There's a virtual gallery, which is an idea I've seen implemented on a few creators' profiles, but the way this one expands reminds me of opening a portal, which gives the whole thing a very otherworldly vibe. There's also a mask filter made up of animated black spheres, which is super alien, and a 360 camera effect that turns your surroundings into a Super Mario Galaxy stage. I always look forward to seeing new filters from this account, so I highly recommend following them on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Caio Alves. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. If you scroll up from the bottom to the most recent filters on this guy's page, you'll notice a very clear progression from simple 2D effects like face tattoos and clown masks to more complicated creations that include 3D models and animated sequences. There are a lot of text-based filters based on the who or what are you template that I've cut out of this video because I don't understand the language, but they're all put together very well and showcase how different styles of visual design can radically alter the same basic format. Some of my favourite filters from this creator are the Bohemian Rhapsody music video effect and the Space Age helmet with a blackout visor that can hide the user's face. If you like what you see and want to try out some of these filters for yourself, go follow Caio Alves on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Frozygram. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. I really like how stripped back this page is. The filters themselves aren't overloaded with effects, but still have a strong sense of character. And it's obvious the creator is just having fun making the types of things they actually want to see and use on Instagram. There's a Kira Kira effect with a really cool texture and color scheme, some simple 3D models with face tracking features, often paired with a neon glow or some light animations, and a mesh effect that I've never seen anywhere else, which mimics the glossy style of a skincare mask. He even models it with a towel wrapped around his head, which again adds to the light-hearted nature of the account. My favourite filter though is the photo booth, which at first seems like just a black and white frame with a vignette, but actually includes a model that shows the images being printed on a strip of film. If you like what you see, go follow Frozigram and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.